Have you ever wondered what's actually happening inside your body when you lift a weight, run a marathon, or even just smile? It's an intricate dance of microscopic machinery, a process called muscle contraction. And today, we're going to dive deep into this amazing biological marvel. Every single movement you make, from a powerful leap to the gentle blink of an eye, is powered by your muscles. But how do they do it? It all starts with a signal from your brain. Imagine your nervous system, a super fast communication network. When you decide to move, your brain sends an electrical impulse zipping down a nerve cell, called a motor neuron, all the way to the target muscle. This is where things get really interesting. The nerve doesn't directly touch the muscle. There's a tiny gap called the neuromuscular junction. When the electrical signal arrives, it triggers the release of a chemical messenger, a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine. Think of it as a key being released to unlock the muscle cell. Once acetylcholine binds to receptors on the muscle fiber's surface, it opens up a gateway, causing a new electrical wave to surge across the muscle cell membrane. This electrical charge is the go signal for the contraction to begin. It travels deep inside the muscle fiber through a network of tiny tunnels called T-tubules. This signal reaches a specialized storage unit within the muscle cell, the sarcoplasmic reticulum. What's it storing? Calcium ions. The electrical wave acts like a command, telling the sarcoplasmic reticulum to release its stored calcium, flooding the inside of the muscle fiber. This flood of calcium is the ultimate trigger for contraction. Now, let's zoom in even further to the molecular level. Inside each muscle fiber are thousands of tiny threads called myofibrils. These are the actual engines of the muscle. Myofibrils are made of repeating units called sarcomers, which are composed of two main protein filaments, a thin one called actin and a thick one called myosin. Under normal, relaxed conditions, the myosin heads are eager to grab onto the actin filaments, but they're blocked by two other proteins, troponin and tropomyosin. They act like a safety lock, preventing unwanted muscle contractions. But when calcium floods the scene, everything changes. The calcium ions bind to troponin, causing it to change shape. This shape change pulls the other protein, tropomyosin, out of the way, exposing the binding sites on the actin filament. The lock is now open. With the binding sites exposed, the energized myosin heads can finally latch onto the actin, forming what we call a cross bridge. This is the moment of truth. The myosin head then performs a power stroke. It pivots and pulls the actin filament inward, like someone pulling on a rope. This shortens the entire sarcomer. As millions of sarcomers shorten in unison all along the muscle fiber, the entire muscle contracts. It's an incredible display of coordinated teamwork on a microscopic scale. But the process doesn't end there. To release and reset for the next contraction, the muscle needs energy in the form of ATP. A new ATP molecule binds to the myosin head, causing it to detach from the actin. The ATP is then broken down, re-energizing the myosin head, getting it ready to grab on again as long as calcium is still present. Once the signal from the nerve stops, the whole process reverses. The calcium is actively pumped back into storage, the troponin and tropomyosin move back into their blocking positions, and the muscle fiber relaxes, ready and waiting for the next command. From a simple thought to a powerful action, it's all powered by this beautiful, complex, and highly efficient process. The sliding filament theory isn't just a textbook concept. It's the very essence of how we move, interact with, and experience the world around us. So next time you work out or even just take a step, take a moment to appreciate the incredible microscopic ballet happening within your own body. It's a true masterpiece of biological engineering. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into the world of muscle science, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.